Are the buttons not working on your washer, or just kind of sticky? This is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the control panel on your washer. These instructions apply to washers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new control panel for your washer, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The control panel allows the user to select various wash cycles, options, and settings. It interfaces with the washer's control board to initiate the chosen cycle. Common failures of the control panel include the knob not selecting the right cycle, the LCD not turning on, the buttons on the touchpad no longer responding, or the buttons sticking or shorting, causing them to act like they're being pressed without user input. On our model of washer, if any of these parts fail, the whole control panel will need to be replaced, as the knob and LCD touchpad are not sold separately. For this repair, you'll need to disconnect power to the washer. Start by removing these 3 screws on the back of the washer using a 1/4-inch driver. Grab the top panel and pull it back as far as it will go. Then lift it up and set it aside for later. Fully extend the detergent drawer on the front of the washer and depress the retainer to remove it from the washer. Remove these 2 screws using a T20 Torx bit. On the top of the washer, use a T20 Torx or a 1/4-inch driver to remove these 2 screws. Carefully lift on these retainers on the top of the control panel while rotating it forward to remove it, being careful as it is still connected by an electrical connector. Depress the retainer and disconnect the control panel. Here's a shot of the retainer with the control panel removed. With the dispenser removed, depress the 2 retainers on the bottom to free the handle. If you need to purchase a new control panel, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. This control panel comes with the LCD touchpad and knob, which are not sold separately. It also comes with a new Wi-Fi control board. If you are using the Wi-Fi Connect app, you'll need to reconnect it to your washer. To install, connect the electrical connector to the control panel. Then align this tab on the center of the control panel to this slot on the washer. Then carefully work the control panel back and forth till the retainers set in place. Next, on the front of the washer, reinstall the 2 screws in the detergent drawer. Align these 3 retainers on the dispenser handle to these 3 slots on the dispenser and push the handle together till the 2 retainers on the bottom snap into place. Then reinstall the detergent drawer. Then, on the top of the panel, reinstall the 2 screws. On the top of the washer, locate these black retainers. Then, align them to these slots on the bottom of the top panel and set them into place. Next, slide the top panel forward and reinstall the screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.